I just sent XRP to Ethereum and it landed as USDT in 27 seconds. No exchange, no wrapping nightmare, no custody. But there's one button here that saved me from getting stuck with zero gas. Stick around because most people miss it. This is SpanRoute, a non-custodial bridge and swap router built around the XRP ledger. And in the next 3 minutes, I'll do a full live transfer so you can copy it exactly. Quick why it matters. Your XRP normally sits stuck on the XRP ledger. SpanRoute moves it to Ethereum, Solana, Base, 25 plus networks with validator attestations instead of some sketchy middleman holding your funds. Step 1, connect. I'll hit connect wallet, pick Crossmark, and boom, we're in. Balance loaded, address live. Notice it's clean, it's fast, no 30 pop-ups. Now the fun part. Pay side is XRP. On the receive side, I choose Ethereum as the network and USDT as the token. Watch this. SpanRoute instantly compares routes, best, fastest, and cheapest, with the real output, fees, and time on each. That's the aggregator magic. It shops for you. One thing you can't skip, the recipient field. This is the Ethereum address where your USDT actually lands. I'll paste in my Ethereum wallet address right here. And yeah, double check it because on-chain there's no, oops, send it back. Wrong address, wrong chain, money's gone. Copy, paste, verify. Address is in, route's locked. Hit review, everything's transparent. Total fees, minimum received, the exact amount I'll get. Deep breath, confirm and sign. And while this runs, think about it. A centralized exchange would still be loading your KYC, freezing your withdrawal, taking its cut. This, 20 seconds, your keys, your coins. That's the flex. And delivered. USDT is on Ethereum, 20-something seconds. Done. Now, that button I promised, gas drop. It ships a little native ETH with your transfer, so your fresh wallet can actually move the moment it arrives. That's the detail that saves you. And it's not just bridging. There's a liquidity page where you earn a cut of every fee, a live explorer tracking every transfer, and full docs if you're a builder. Try it yourself right now. Links in the description. Go move some XRP. I'll see you in the next one.